How to buy and sell on DEX Screener. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to buy and sell on DEX Screener, let me guide you through the process. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and visit dexscreener.com. Once the home page is loaded, tap on the scroll button located at the top right corner. Now you'll see different options. Select on Moonshot. Tapping on Moonshot will take you to the Moonshot platform. Now, click on the Connect option, which will allow you to choose your cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Now that you have done so, browse the token list and select the coin if you want to purchase. Once that is done, enter the amount of cryptocurrency such as SOL that you want to spend. You can adjust the sleep page if necessary, and then click on the buy to confirm the transaction in your wallet. Likewise, if you want to sell the tokens, you can switch to the sell interface. It is right side of the buy button, from where you can choose the percentage of tokens that you want to sell. Review the sale details and click on sell. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to complete. And once that is done, you are ready to trade on DEX Screener. But make sure to always double check details before confirming the transaction. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.